Hi everyone, Melissa here, coming on today with my Creative Times 126th release. And oh boy, is it a cutie. If you follow me on Instagram, I've posted some sneaky peeks, and today I am going to share with you what I used to create each one of these projects that I made. So let's not hesitate and jump right in. All right, so this little cutie here, I used this set here, this stamp set there. And then with that, I used its coordinating die set there. And then I used this set here to coordinate with the paper. Of course, that was coming. You knew it was coming. You knew it was coming. Anyways, I want to say the pink one. So I used that one right there. And this is some adorable paper. Adorable. Look at that. Oh, just too cute. Adorable paper. Oh my gosh, that's the little boy one. Just adorable. Look at those. Just look at those. So since I'm here, this is what I used there. And so let's keep it going. And I'm going to show you what I used to cut out those. Okay, so this is what I use. This is, you might already have it in your stash. It's called Tall Tag Frame Dies. And you just use that third one down right there to cut out that image. And then I also used this one here, the second one down, to cut out the image that's behind that. And I'll show you that a little more close in just a moment. Now to create this circle behind there, I am using the Bunch of Fun Circles. I use this just about every time for her release. I love this set. Anyway, so what I did, I took the largest two. So I took this one and this one, layered it together to create that little circle that's around there, and then I used the inside layer from that. Just adorable. I love the accent that it gave on that card. And then I'm trying to get the most out of the dies that I use. Then I also use my Creative Time tall die layers, and I use this one right here. And so I ran it into the machine part of the way, and then I moved the die down a little bit just so that I could get the exact border that I needed for that A2 size card. And then all of these little hearts here, they came from the Band-Aid die set. So I just went to work searching for the things that I could use to bring this card set together. And then in the inside of the card, you will see the XOXO, this set here, the XOXO border frame dies. Love this set too. And then this little bow, this mini bow, it came from the mini bow set. Love that too. I thought it was perfect since we're focusing on love. It's not just for Valentine's Day. Let's take a closer look at this here. I added a little bit of stickles on that paper pack that I got this die set from. This die cut, I mean. Just so cute. And then on her stamps, she has those little hearts, and of course I took advantage and colored those up. That's just too cute. I love the font that she uses on there. And then this paper, which was set at like a catty corner, I just flipped it around a little bit so you could just read it straight on, and it has some words in there. I can't see them right now because I don't have my glasses on, but anyways, love that paper in the background. All of this paper is from her set. And then there goes the inside. I added a few more hearts, and then I used that XOXO border frame and added a strip of paper in there. Love how that turned out. And then this set here, I cut out that with that tall tag die, and then I cut two pieces. So I cut one out with a little ginger on it, and then the other one I just used the hearts, and I added this behind it. There goes that heart bow, and then I just accented that with some twine there. Love this set. All right, next up, jumping right into this one. This, I actually created it as a set. However, I showed you 2 separate days on Instagram, that is, of what I created. So this was the second day and this was the third day, but I created it as a set. So the paper that I'm using out of this one, and I went to work on this particular paper, and this is the last of it. I think I'm just going to buy another whole set of paper. So anyway, so I'm using this and this from that paper pack, and this is what I have left. I went to work on that paper. Oh my goodness, love the colors. I love everything about this paper. So I used that, and then from the It's a Cookie Season, I used this one here, Cookie Season there, and I just stamped it directly on to that paper there. And so what else did I use for that? So we have the Ginger Accessories 1 and the Ginger Accessories 2. So I used the Ginger Accessories 2 for that little image right there, and that's that little apron there, and I used just the apron pieces to go with that. I didn't add the little ginger in there at all, but love it. Okay, up next is this one. And so this is called Jingle All the Way. And so I used 3 different stamp sets on here. I used this one, and this one. Stamped it directly onto the spatula there. I used the spatula to cut it out, and I cut it out 3 or 4 times, I can't remember, to make it nice and sturdy because I wanted it as an embellishment. And then let me show you what I used to create the flowers. So in this set, the small flowers, I used both of these and then this little small one right there. And I did trim that down a little bit because I didn't need all of the leaf, but love how those flowers turned out, added just the perfect touch. And then on to the last one. So the last one, which is this here, I am using this one here. You see that? And it's called the Folded Tag die. And so I didn't use all the pieces. I just used this one and this one. And then in the inside of this, I want to say I am using Wishing You a Joyful Christmas. And that one came from the Sweet Holiday Wishes. This set goes perfectly with this theme that she has going on. I think that is it. I think that's everything that I need to show you. But let's take a closer look at this. And I just closed that with that little clothespin there. But you can use anything to close it with. You can even punch it and close it with a string, or use any kind of clips that you could clip on the side. But she's adorable. Oh, and I didn't show you that in creating her, I used the girl and boy gingerbread die set. And I may not be quite saying that right, but it could be boy and girl, I'm not sure. But I will have it linked down below. But anyways, I'm using this set. And then, of course, the little clothes that come with it now. I'm so excited about that. Those little clothes there, love that. And I did not show you the other paper that I'm using. And I'm using this paper here, that coffee break paper, and I got that little grayish look one there. But love how that turned out. Accented it with some enamel dots and colored up the cheeks and the mouth there. Love it, love it, love it. She just looks like she's prepared for baking season. And I decorated it in the inside. And I also added a little touch on the back side as well. I think I'm going to cover that up with some kind of dot or something, but I'm not for sure yet. But love how that turned out. Now let me show you this little spatula. Oh, these are adorable. Love them. I have them already set to get ready to get packaged up if I find a home for them. And I have this on the piece of paper with just removable glue dots. So these turned out so cute. So cute. I love those flowers. And then this is the bag topper that I created. And like I said, I used the accessories 2 for that one and put that right on there. Just adorable set. I love how that turned out. All right, so I believe that's it for this release day. So make sure you head over and get yours today, because I believe these are going to sell out. And I'll help you out. I'll have the link down below. So make sure you use the new release link that will take you to everything that's in the store. And I will have that discount code down in the description box, as well as coming across the screen, maybe right there. All right, so use all those links down below to go to my design team sisters, as well as everything for Emma and her channels and her store. All right, thanks so much, everyone. You all have a blessed and crafty day.